so let's go. Let me have the before flower tree here. Okay, and cross fingers for number 1. Wow, everybody, 25 mm, very big cloth, blue cloth one. Okay, our sparkle beads. Okay, you can put the big size in the middle of your phone chain. Very beautiful. Okay, next one. Okay, here is a blue cloth and one charm, one more bag. Champagne color one with a bling bling. Everybody, 16 mm size. Give you one more free. Okay, so pretty. Okay, next one. Here we got is our wow, also very gorgeous one. Here, 25 mm, bling bling blue, one charm. Starry light blue. Give you one more free. Oh, purple cloth one, everybody. If you like our sparkle beads, everybody, just go to my shop to choose right now. Okay, for you to DIY with a pretty phone chain like this deal. Okay, next one. Different size, we all have it. We have the 6 mm and the 10 mm and 25 mm. Here is a smaller size. This one is a 10 mm. One charm, one more bag. One more free for you. Next one. Next one here we have is our it is our blue color, bling bling. Okay, smaller size. Keep going. Okay, wow. Oh, this one it has a little problem. Let me change one bag for you. Let me change. Okay, give you one more bag. And here, white color one charm. How cutie. Give you one more free. Okay, next one. Wow, there is a purple bunny inside it. You can see the details of the bunny very clearly. Give you one charm. Give you one more free. Okay, next one. Okay, beautiful white. And it's also the UV changing color. Let me see. Is it changing color? Okay, wow, you see, it can become a little pink. Okay, next one. And 1 minute later, it will back to the original color. And one more. Here we got is our light brown. Give you one more free for you. Okay, next one. Here, dark pink candy beads. One charm, one more bag. Okay, next one. Next one we have. Here is a light brown color. Okay, and one more. One charm for you. This one also is a shiny orange. Also have the cat eye effect. Give you one more bag. One more free. Okay, oh, one more again. White color, changing color. Let me see. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Wow, become purple, green, and pink color right now. Okay, give you one charm. One more thing. Next one is also the white color one, smaller bag. Because when you DIY, you see, not only you need the 25 mm size, but also you need some extra 16 mm and smaller size to match it with. Okay, you see this one. Okay, and one more. Keep going. Here is a white color one, also amazing changing color. It will become purple, and this aspect is wet, right? Okay, you see, become purple. Very amazing color. And next one. Here is a watermelon red and green. Okay, here we go. Oh, white bling bling for you. Okay, next one. Everybody, after this order, let me check. There is no ordering line. After this order, no ordering line. Order now, pack now. Okay, don't be shy. Here we have is our grass green color. One charm left. Okay, give you one more bag. One more extra. Wow, everybody see it. Okay, beautiful green flowers. Okay, how cute. Very clearly and transparent, you see. Okay, very beautiful. One charm, one more bag. Next one. Next one here is bling bling blue. You see, this one is one set for you. Okay, you can use them to DIY one set of the phone chain. You get the different size and they are in the same style. You see. Okay, so cute. And one more. Thank you, our Anastasia for like. And here we got it our light jumping. Keep it going. Wow, this one so pretty. Green cloth. Okay, and next one. How many big beads you get? How many phone chain you can make? And here is a pinky strap one for you. Okay, also very shiny. And here we go. Here we got is our purple with a cat eye effect. You see, 16 mm. Okay, and next one. Next one you have is our red pink. One charm, one more bag. One more free for you. Okay, our shiny pink one. Still have so many bags to not open. Let's go. Okay, here. Oh, it's a pearl. Everybody, long time do not see it. 25 mm pearl. Everybody, do you ever see that? Okay, this one. Okay, also have very amazing flash on the surface. You see. Okay, next one. Wow, long time I don't see it, and you get it. Congratulations. Here is a smaller red package. Use the back carefully packaging, and here is a red color one charm. Give you one more free for you. Let's go. Oh, pretty purple and one charm. Extra more. Okay, next one here. One charm again. One more extra, and everybody, let's go. Let's go. Oh, this one is not changing. Not just thank you for like. Thank you. How pretty. And here we go. Here we go. Let me see. It's a champagne color. They are the same. You see, champagne color. Thank you, Nix, for your like. Thank you so much. And keep it going. We got is our pretty white mountain with stars. And here we go. Nikki, purple. Okay, next one, 16 mm. Next one, grass green. And here we go. One charm. Oh, pretty white mountain with some stars. This one, oh, this one is very amazing. If you use it to DIY phone chain, that will be very amazing. One charm. Give you one more free for you. Okay, next one. Let's go. Next one here we got is a sparkly black. Okay, you can see some beautiful flash on the surface here. Okay, next one. Let's go. Purple. 4 pieces one bag. Dark purple. Okay, the last one bag. Let me see. One charm, one more bag. I think this color matches each other. They are all the dark. Give you one more free for you. Okay, next one here, orange pattern. Okay, so my friends, check it. Here, what you get? Okay, see it? Liberty, welcome back, everybody. Here's our sparkle piece. For you, you can use it to DIY the phone chain like this style. Yeah, Mars, thank you Mars. And here, we put the big piece in the middle. Okay, if you do not know how to DIY them, you can also go to see my video. You can also go to see my tutorial. Oh, Julie can. Julie can, thank you so much. Okay, you can also go to see my video. So pretty things, yeah? Okay, now let me pack for you right now. Everybody, what you see, what you get. So you get 17 extra. Also give you 2 more in the beginning, almost a double. Congratulations. Okay, here, all for you. For you to DIY the pretty phone chain. Okay, let's go for next one. What you see, what you get, everybody, and ta-ta. Okay, and let's go. Shovel show time. Enjoy the ASMR here. Okay, shovel show time. Okay, let's go. Here, push back. Everybody, after this order, there's no ordering line. Order now, pack now.